What if I told you that you could burn fat while you're asleep? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. These 7 fat-burning bedtime drinks aren't magic, but they might feel like it. In today's video, we're diving into 7 powerful drinks that can help accelerate fat burning while you sleep. These drinks are packed with ingredients that not only support your metabolism, but also aid in fat breakdown, keeping you lean while you dream. Stay tuned because you don't want to miss out on these game-changing drinks. Let's go! Number 1. Green tea. Green tea has been around for centuries, and it's no surprise why. It's one of the most powerful fat-burning drinks you can consume, especially before bed. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and compounds called catechins, which boost your metabolism and fat oxidation. But here's the kicker. It's not just about what green tea contains, but how it works. The catechins in green tea increase your body's ability to burn fat while you rest. These compounds stimulate the release of fat from fat cells, making it easier for your body to burn fat for energy. This means while you're sleeping, your body is working overtime, breaking down fat stores and using them up. It's like having a mini fat burning party while you sleep. How to use it? Brew 1 cup of green tea before bed and let it cool slightly. You don't want to drink it scalding hot. Drink it about 30 minutes before you go to bed for the best results. If you can, aim for at least 1 cup a day and feel the difference as your metabolism stays revved up. So, don't just grab that late night snack. Grab a cup of green tea instead and let it work its magic. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a powerhouse when it comes to burning fat. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is packed with acetic acid, which has been shown to increase fat-burning processes in the body, especially around the belly area. When consumed before bed, ACV works by helping to regulate blood sugar levels and improve digestion. By balancing blood sugar, you prevent those late-night cravings that tend to sabotage your weight loss goals. It also supports digestion, which means your body can metabolize food more efficiently, preventing unwanted fat storage. To prepare your nighttime apple cider vinegar drink, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV in a glass of warm water. Add a teaspoon of honey or a pinch of cinnamon for taste if you need. Drink this about 30 minutes before bed, and you'll notice improvements not just in fat loss, but also in your sleep quality. The acid in apple cider vinegar helps improve digestion and can even reduce bloating, making it a great drink to sip on before you hit the sack. Number 3. Lemon water. Lemon water is a refreshing and super simple drink that packs a punch when it comes to fat burning. It's loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that not only help boost your immune system but also support your metabolism. The citric acid in lemon water helps break down fat, making it easier for your body to get rid of it, but the benefits don't stop there. Drinking lemon water before bed can also help detoxify your body, flushing out toxins that may have built up throughout the day. This gives your liver a break and supports fat breakdown, allowing your body to burn more fat while you sleep. Plus, it helps balance your pH levels, ensuring your body stays in an optimal state for fat burning. To make your lemon water, simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water. Stir it well and drink it about 30 minutes before bed. This drink is incredibly easy to prepare and can quickly become a nightly ritual that accelerates fat burning while you sleep. Keep drinking it, and soon enough you'll see those extra pounds start to melt away. Number 4. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon isn't just a tasty spice, it's a fat-burning powerhouse too. This sweet, fragrant spice helps regulate your blood sugar levels, preventing the spikes and crashes that lead to cravings. When your blood sugar is stable, your body is more efficient at burning fat for fuel instead of storing it. Plus, cinnamon helps boost metabolism, so even while you sleep, your body is actively working to burn fat. But that's not all. Cinnamon also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce belly fat, It increases the sensitivity of insulin, allowing your body to absorb and utilize nutrients more effectively, leading to better overall fat metabolism. By adding cinnamon to your nighttime routine, you can optimize your body's fat-burning processes during sleep. To make cinnamon tea, simply add a cinnamon stick to a pot of boiling water and let it steep from 5 to 10 minutes. You can also sprinkle a bit of ground cinnamon into your tea for a quicker version. Drink this before bed, and you'll not only enjoy a soothing aromatic drink but also reap the fat-burning benefits. It's the perfect way to end your day on a sweet note while boosting your metabolism. Number 5. Ginger tea. Ginger is another fantastic drink for fat burning, especially when consumed before bed. This root has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve digestion, which aids in fat breakdown. It also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the likelihood of late-night cravings. Ginger's ability to increase metabolism is key. It stimulates the thermogenesis process, where your body produces heat and burns calories. The best part? Ginger tea can also improve circulation, allowing fat to be transported and burned more effectively throughout the night. So while you're catching up on your beauty sleep, ginger is working behind the scenes, revving up your metabolism and burning fat. To make ginger tea, peel a small piece of fresh ginger and slice it into thin pieces. Add the ginger slices to boiling water and let it steep from 5 to 10 minutes. Strain it and enjoy. You can also add honey or lemon to enhance the flavor if desired. Drinking this tea before bed will leave you feeling relaxed and help your body burn fat while you sleep soundly. Number 6. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is another excellent drink to include in your bedtime routine. Not only does it promote relaxation and improve sleep quality, but it also aids in fat loss. Peppermint has natural fat-burning properties that work by helping your digestive system function more efficiently. This means your body can burn calories more effectively, even while you're resting. Peppermint also has the added benefit of suppressing your appetite, so you're less likely to overeat or snack late at night. By controlling hunger and improving digestion, peppermint tea helps ensure your body can focus on burning fat while you sleep. Plus, it's a great way to wind down after a long day. To prepare peppermint tea, steep a peppermint tea bag in hot water for about 5 minutes. You can add a little honey if you like, but it's delicious on its own. Drink it slowly before bed, and not only will you enjoy a relaxing and refreshing drink, but you'll also be supporting your body's fat-burning efforts. Number 7. Turmeric milk. Turmeric is widely known for its anti-inflammatory properties, but did you know it can also help with fat burning? Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound that has been shown to enhance fat metabolism and prevent the storage of fat in the body. It also supports liver function, which is vital for detoxifying your body and breaking down fat. When combined with warm milk or a dairy-free alternative like almond milk, turmeric creates a soothing drink known as golden milk. This comforting beverage not only helps you relax, but also promotes fat burning while you sleep. Turmeric can also help reduce inflammation in your body, which can sometimes hinder fat loss, making it a perfect addition to your nightly routine. To make turmeric milk, warm a cup of milk and add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir well and sweeten with a bit of honey if desired. Drink this golden milk about 30 minutes before bed, and you'll feel both relaxed and ready for a night of fat burning. There you have it. 7 amazing drinks that can help burn fat while you sleep. From green tea to turmeric milk, each of these beverages has powerful properties that can help rev up your metabolism and keep your body working hard, even while you rest. Start incorporating these drinks into your nightly routine, and you'll be amazed at how they work to support your weight loss goals. So, what are you waiting for? If you want to wake up feeling lighter, healthier, and more energized, start adding these drinks into your daily routine. Trust me, your body will thank you. Subscribe now for more tips on living your healthiest life.